Morning, everyone. I'm just having a lazy, I guess it's a Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today? I don't know. I'm retired, so don't know. Anyhow, so I got a little bit more work done last night on the Jeep. It's basically detailing and cleaning up and stuff. It's just, and little things like a screw missing here or something like that. So she's fires right up. She runs as smooth as silk. I can't believe it. I want to keep this thing so bad. Don't say anything to Claire if you guys know Claire, but it's newer than my 98 that I swore I'd never give up. I'm not going to give it up. I just mean I'd just rather add to my collection, but there she is so far. So yeah, I'm just kicking back at my little outdoor pub.